While everybody centers around Bitcoin and Ethereum, different open doors probably won't be on many individuals' radar. The OMG tokens are in the information at their vertical cost expectations and getting more financial backer consideration due to how they perform contrasted with the opposition. OMG organization is gradually taking off, acquiring market inclusion. The most recent news inclusion of this misjudged coin is getting additional consideration from the market-changing exchanging choices. We should figure out more about the OMG organization project and the story behind it. The outline of OMG organization. OMG organization is a Layer 2 scaling arrangement that has worked for the Ethereum blockchain. It permits clients to move ETH and ERC20 tokens less expensive and quicker than making those exchanges straightforwardly on the Ethereum organization. The OMG organization was established by X5000, a Thai resident working as an auxiliary of SYNQA, which is a Thailand-based fintech organization. It is a decentralized, public organization that permits high throughput, minimal expense, distributed exchanges. With it, anybody can execute a scheme across topographies, resource classes, and applications. The OMG network permits one to get to, make do, and execute utilizing advanced resources that are put away safely on the blockchain. The organization depends on a scaling arrangement known as more viable plasma. It utilizes a sidechain engineering to make a cluster of a few exchanges, which can then be checked utilizing a solitary exchange on the Ethereum root chain. As per OMG organization, this innovation can possibly scale Ethereum to large number of exchanges each second. This is way higher than whatever Ethereum 1.0 can deal with, which is 10 to 14,000 exchanges each second. The plasma-based sidechain engineering likewise permits it to increment productivity while lessening carbon impression by diminishing the power use up to 99% contrasted with Ethereum. This is cosmically high while likewise diminishing expenses up to 66% of the ordinary charge. This is finished while ensuring that the resources remain got by the Ethereum blockchain network. As per the site, OMG organization is likewise getting a rebrand as OMG establishment, with millions brought up in the last round of subsidizing around $80 million in Series C financing. OMG at long last sees a few achievement and truly necessary acknowledgement from the crypto market, in the same way as other digital currencies. The administration holds some stock of the complete portion of coins, as the most extreme inventory is fixed. There is supposed to be a greatest cap of precisely 140,245,398 OMG at the present time. Not at all like numerous other cryptographic forms of money, the absolute stockpile has proactively been completely stamped, with around 65% circling through dynamic financial backers. OMG organization market feeling. The ongoing cost going off is being credited to financial backer energy. OMG organization group is carrying out a few new turns of events, which should be visible on their task site. OMG token holders are qualified for Boba administration token, which has been in the news as of late. As per the task site, Boba organization is an Ethereum Layer 2 hopeful roll-up scaling arrangement. The point is to lessen gas charges, further develop the exchange throughput and expand the capacities of shrewd agreements. Named Boba organization, the task is a Layer 2 arrangement that will permit exchanges of most digital forms of money to have an installment interaction at a lightning-quick speed. This will build the perceivability of cryptos as a practical opponent to Visa and MasterCard. Assuming that this innovation meaningfully impacts the way how the world handles monetary standards, it will be the following huge thing in the fintech world. We should investigate industry specialists and best digital money estimate stages perspectives on the OMG organization cost expectations. In light of our OMG cost forecasts, a drawn-out increment is normal. The OMG organization cost conjecture for 2026 is $19.23. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 283.72%. OMG organization cost has been showing a rising inclination, and our information demonstrates that the OMG cost has been on an upswing for the beyond 1 year. The future cost of OMG is anticipated at $26.01 following a year, as per our forecast. OMG organization forecasts. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the cost will be around $4.72, a greatest cost of $4.96, the base cost of $4.20 for December 2022. The typical OMG organization cost for December 2022 is $4.58. OMG organization cost gauge toward the finish of December 2022 is $4.72. In view of the OMG organization's authentic value information and expectations, we foresee the OMG organization cost could be exchanging around $7.27 toward the year's end 2022. Additionally, it very well may be $11.77 precisely 1 year sometime in the afternoon. In the following 3 years, the most significant level OMG organization cost could reach is $32.61. The OMG organization cost is determined to reach $4.01 by the start of December 2022. The normal greatest cost is $5.01. The base cost is $3.41. The OMG organization cost gauge for the year's end is $3.35. OMG specialized investigation. In the event that we see how well it is doing, the OMG organization cost is at 3 years high, with the ongoing cost exchanging at $5. This high, whenever preceded, can overwhelm 4 years high in no less than a year. It keeps a decent up-moving business sector. The value history of OMG organization isn't that great in the past 2 years. The cost changes have not been fascinating for crypto exchanging this time span. The drop in cost in 2018 was chiefly because of the prohibiting of OMG digital currency in the trades, bringing about high unpredictability at those key levels. With its new high of $5.01 since its underlying stages, OMG organization seems to be a decent chance for brokers. Be that as it may, is it adequate at this cost to purchase OMG a range? Is the OMG market currently far beyond the best section point? We should find out with the specialized investigation. The ongoing cost of OMG organization is $5.01, with the crypto positioning at number 101. The market capitalization of OMG organization is around $699,630,149.64 and a coursing supply of around 140,245,398 OMG coins, which is the greatest coin limit. The most recent 24 hours ups and downs have been $5.10 and $4.80. Separately, the aggregation has been consistently expanding over the course of the past year and is as yet reliable, with the OMG breaking out the present moment, beating different gauges. In 2023, the OMG value pattern will keep on reflecting potential gain force according to our OMG organization conjecture. Subsequently, the OMG cost is supposed to reach $6.58 this year. For long-haul OMG organization cost expectations, essential specialized examination is required. With regards to industry arrangements, the OMG token offers a couple. The OMG organization runs a bug abundance program, which rewards developers to track down mistakes inside the organization and assists with fixing those issues. This motivating force to find issues in the organization makes it very great, as any issues that will be found could be accounted for back to the improvement group, and the issues could be fixed. This will empower the OMG organization to remain protected from bugs over the long haul. OMG Value Expectation 2024. The OMG coin will stay in the vertical cost pattern in 2024. By 2024, the OMG cost is supposed to be around $7.15 in light of our OMG organization cost forecast. The base cost can go up to $6.17 assuming that the market stays bullish. On the drawback, the OMG organization cost could confront a cost drop. However, it will remain over its help level of $9.13. OMG organization value forecast 2025. In 2025,